Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Person Makeover. Today I'll be checking out Michael Jackson singing Human Nature. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay.
Reaching out the nighttime, sitting the sleepless eye.
Oh, that's Michael.
Hear her voice, shake my window,
Let's go.
seducing sighs. Get me out the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite.
Michael.
If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, can it be that way? They say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, can it be that way? Reaching out to electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl? She knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If
This
they
guy's
say
good.
why,
Why?
tell them that it's human nature. Why, can it be that way? They say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, can it be that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Reaching out.
He's just paused like that by himself, like the song haven't ended. For a second I thought it was done, but this is him just in motion.
Into the night,
Let's go there!
begin to be.
Whoosh! How can someone's body move this effortlessly?
I'm dreaming on the street. Everybody sing. They say. Everybody. Can it be that way? If they say why, ooh, then can it be that way? They say why, ooh, then can it be that way? I like living this way.
Let's go there. Woo! Woo! Damn it! this this was good. This was magnificent. Like Michael Jackson, he's not only good with his songs, he's not only good at singing beautiful music, but he can dance. The man got moves, moves that I can't imagine. So I love this. I enjoyed every bit of this. Michael, top notch. This was a wonderful performance. I wish he was still alive. Honestly, I really did. I really do wish he was still alive. This was good, and I would love to check more of his songs. So do let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.